Gang coalition in Haiti spreads violence to Port Au Prince neighborhoods, setting fire to homes. The video you were just looking at is a video where so-called gang members in Haiti enter the town and burn down the town. They burned the town down and the people had to flee. And what you were listening to was exactly these words, which translate into, if you're not living together, we are going to burn you together. Now, most people believe, especially people from the diaspora, that there is a revolution happening in Haiti. They believe that these gang members, they got together because they are going to overthrow the system. However, what we can see clearly and what we have been seeing for the past few years is our people having to flee their homes, their town. And we are talking about the poor people. We're not talking about the people from the system, the rich that live in Kenskoff, in the town where the common people cannot even afford to live in. We're not talking about these people. These people are safe. The people who are being affected are the poor people. They are the one that's fleeing. They are the one that's trying to go into Santo Domingo. They are the one trying to go into Panama, to enter into Mexico, to come over here to the U.S. There is no revolution happening in Haiti. We've been telling you that for years. These brothers cannot overthrow the system. You cannot overthrow your enemy, because only the Most High God is going to get us out of this hell that we are in. And as a people, the so-called Haitians, who are truly the tribe of Levi, according to the Bible, it is time for us to come together for real under a moral code. And the moral code that we are going to come under is the one that the Most High God give us. Not the code that Ansanm is going by. Ansanm is going by a code where they are together as a gang, but they burning down the homes of their fellow brothers and sisters. That benefits our enemy. It doesn't benefit us as a people. Once again, there is no revolution happening in Haiti. We've been telling you this for years. This is the latest news out of Haiti, where Solino got burned down by the so-called Viva Ensemble coalition. It's your brother of Siyataza. Shalom.